How to convert portrait video to landscape in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can convert portrait video to landscape in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. After you've opened up your CapCut, you will see your video that's on landscape. So after you find the video, you can make some edits, whatever edits that you want. And after you've done with the edits, what you'll need to do is you'll need to search for a setting here called ratio. So there you'll find aspect ratio, tap on that. Right here, what you'll need to do is choose the landscape option. So there are different ratios that you can choose from. So you can choose whichever you want like this. So you can also choose for the YouTube one, and yeah, you can simply choose whatever you want. So after you choose that, you will notice basically two black screens right besides there. So what you can do to remove that is just search for a blur option and blur it out, and that's basically how you can convert a portrait video to landscape in CapCut. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.